Editing the legend in Microsoft Project helps clarify the visual elements in your Gantt chart. Here's a step-by-step guide. Open your project. Launch Microsoft Project. Start Microsoft Project and open the project containing the Gantt chart you want to modify. Access the Gantt chart view. Select View. Ensure you're in the Gantt chart view. If not, go to the View tab and choose Gantt chart from the available options. Display the legend. Insert legend. To add the legend to your Gantt chart, go to the Format tab on the ribbon and click Legend. This action will add a legend box to your Gantt chart view if it's not already visible. Edit legend entries. Modify legend. To edit the legend, click on it and select it. Right-click on the legend and choose Edit Legend. Here, you can adjust which items are shown and how they are described. Customize legend appearance. Format legend. Use the formatting options to change the legend's appearance. You can adjust font size, color, and style by right-clicking on the legend and selecting Font or Format Legend. Save your changes. Save project. Click File, Save to ensure your updates to the legend and Gantt chart are preserved.